If Photopea is showing a blank screen, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get the editor loading properly again. This is one of those problems that can be caused by browser extensions, cached files, blocked scripts, or even hardware acceleration settings. So we're going to test each common issue in the safest and simplest way possible. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. First, let's test Photopea in Incognito mode. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and N, and on Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N to open a private window. Incognito mode is useful because it temporarily disables most extensions and ignores a lot of saved browser data that could be interfering with Photopea. Once the private window opens, go to photopea.com and see if the editor loads normally. If Photopea works here, that usually means the problem is coming from something in your regular browser setup, like an extension or stored site data. Next, let's disable ad blockers and whitelist Photopea. Ad blockers and privacy tools often block important WebAssembly files that Photopea needs to run correctly, and when that happens, you can end up with a blank screen instead of the editor. Click your ad blocker icon in the browser toolbar, then either disable it temporarily or add photopea.com to your trusted sites or whitelist. After that, reload the page and check whether the blank screen is gone. If the site opens normally now, you found the cause. If it still isn't loading, the next thing to try is clearing the site data and doing a hard refresh. Sometimes a broken cache or corrupted site storage can stop Photopea from rendering properly. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5. That forces the browser to reload the page without relying on some of the stored files. If the issue is still there, click the lock icon next to the Photopea address in your browser, open site settings or cookies and site data, and choose Clear Data. This removes the saved site image files that may be causing the blank screen and gives Photopea a fresh start when you reload it. Now, if none of that worked, the next fix is to toggle browser hardware acceleration. In some cases, your browser's graphics setting or a GPU driver mismatch can prevent the Photopea interface from drawing on screen correctly. Open your browser settings and search for System or Acceleration. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available and switch it off if it was on or turn it on if it was already off. Then relaunch your browser and go back to Photopea to test it again. This can make a big difference if the problem is related to rendering or display issues. So to quickly recap, the best fixes for a Photopea blank screen are test in Incognito mode, disable ad blockers and whitelist Photopea, clear site data and hard refresh, and toggle hardware acceleration. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue and get the editor working again. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.